Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tweet on Twitter, so how to make post. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should go to your home page by tapping on this first button in the left side column of the screen, and after that you can see this For You section at the top, and here you can find this What's Happening box to which you can type in the post you would like to tweet. So type in your text. Here you can set who can reply to your tweet, such as everyone, people you follow, or only the people you mention in your tweet. So if you are done, you can also choose your audience at the top, such as everyone or your Twitter circle. If you are done with creating your post, you can also add GIFs, photos, smileys or emojis and other things. You can tap on the tweet button to post your tweet. So here you can see your post. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.